FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the M3 Ultra Chosen. I'm also live streaming right now, so I'm just waiting for this lobby to launch. So, doing a little unboxing. Comes in a cardboard box. That's nice. Let's watch me scratch this box. Yeah. All right. It's a lot of Mandarin on this, but they're also translating it into English. It's a good sign that their software is going to be translated, hopefully. No tape. Yeah. Oh. Man, that is like, on there. Okay. Looks like an egg shape. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, this is kind of chunk. Yeah, that's heavy. That's a chunky boy. Holy shit. Hey, that is cool. These sides are textured, man. Like, whee. It's a weird. Okay. We'll keep going. Where's the dongle, man? What's going on here? Where's my dongle? All right, the MChose. Is that how you say it? MChose? MChose? No idea. We got the stiffest cable on Earth. Okay. Is there no dongle? What is going on? Oh, it's on there already. Silly me. Silly. Here we go. Is it? No, it's not. Is it in the mouse? It's probably yeah, it's fucking. Of course it is. It's in the mouse. Is this just a C? I don't know if that's going to be a C, so I'm going to leave it out. That is the unboxing of the MChose G3 Ultra. The chunky light blue egg shape. Let me pull it back out. That we'll see if I like it. I don't know. I'm typically not an egg-shaped fan guy, but we'll give it its due diligence. The coating on it's real nice. The M3 or the MChose Ultra G3. Cool. Catch you guys in the next one. Still streaming, just ending this recording right now so I can upload it.